You want a backyard revamp, we got the perfect guy to do it. This segment sponsored by Easton Outdoors. Micah Miller from Easton Outdoors is here. They're also the makers of our fabulous Patio 10. Yeah. And he's got a revamp to recap that you've done recently, yes, where someone was able to transform their outdoor space. What are we going to be looking at?
That's right. So in this particular project that we're going to do a recap on, it was a backyard that was largely unused. A beautiful view leading right out to the water, as you can see from the before picture. But they realized that they weren't utilizing their yard, and they're also not getting any younger. So they wanted to have a space that would bring them outside. With a little bit of some health issues, they just kind of started to realize how fragile life was, and that was the intent of doing a revamp on their yard in this particular situation.
Want to be able to get outside and enjoy it. So when they came to you, what were some of the main concerns or the main factors that you needed to consider with this particular project?
So being on the water, one concern actually was flooding. So they didn't want the tide to come up and kind of roll over the bank. So we did have to elevate everything just a little bit from where it originally was. But they had an old concrete slab, so we tore out that old concrete slab and we put pavers in instead. And then they also wanted to have the sound of water. So they wanted to be able to hear, kind of like we have with the fountain right behind us, they want to be able to hear the sound of water and just have a relaxing place to sit in a chair, eat lunch, just kind of talk with each other, just enjoy retirement. So we built them that pond. And we carved a couple rocks into the side so they could step right to the edge and look down in the water. So it kind of brought the pond and the patio a little bit more seamlessly together. So it's just bring them outside, have the intention to actually use the space. Yeah.
Yeah, so what's the timeline like for a project like this, from the consultation to when you guys are finishing up the finishing touches?
So this project was about 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks from the initial start of construction to the end of construction. They did have to wait about 6 weeks for us to get there, but once we were on site, it was a pretty seamless process from putting the pavers in, building the pond, and then we did a little bit of extra paver work after we had finished the original pavers. So yeah, cool spot.
So what's that consultation like? Because someone might have an idea of what they're looking for, but how do you help them hone in this project to make it exactly what fits their needs and what's possible with their space?
Yeah, so like any good project, it usually starts with an idea or I have seen something. And frequently people will come back from a vacation or a similar thing and be like, hey, I saw this on vacation. I really like this. I want to see this in my yard. This particular one though, our shop in Pocosin on Wythe Creek, we have a pond built out in front of it. And they had been walking and seeing the pond at our shop, and they said, hey, we want that water feature in our yard, so bring it on over and build the same thing here. So that was the inspiration for this, was get that water in their yard, was from the pond that are in front of our shop.
Yeah, we're gonna pop up a QR code on your screen right now, so grab your smartphone, open the camera and point it at that QR code. A link's gonna pop up with tons more inspiration and information. What does a project like this cost finance-wise?
Yeah, so everything all in, the pond, the waterfall, the landscape, the boulders, the lights, the new patio, this one was $38,300.
And you talked about them just walking through your space to find that inspiration. What does that space look like at Easton Outdoors, where people can learn more, and also to check out your website?
Yes, yeah, so the space in Pocosin, Wythe Creek, it's always open. You can come any time of day, any time of night if you want to see the lights. And we've got 3 different ponds. We've got a water feature. We have an outdoor kitchen. We have a bunch of pavers. We have a sound system you can demo. I mean, we've got a lot of stuff there you can just kind of walk through, and all of it has prices on it. So if you're curious about how much things cost, you can see that. And the same goes for our website. Tons, over 500 pages of content on there that you guys can peruse, get some ideas, and maybe even show us some of those that you'd like to see in your yard.
Yeah, let inspiration strike. Micah, thanks so much for joining us, as always, on HRS.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
This segment of the Hampton Road Show is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. They're located at 550 Wythe Creek Road in Pocosin. Give them a call, 757-262-3232, or visit easton-outdoors.com. Check out more photos on social media for inspiration. They're on Facebook and Instagram at Easton Outdoors LLC.